Welcome back to our channel here at Travelworld, and in today's video we will be taking you around the Dethleffs Alpa. This automatic Fiat motorhome has a 2.2 litre engine and 180 brake horsepower. This 7.33 metre motorhome gives you so much space for you and all the family. You can both sleep and transport 4 people in this vehicle. The Alpa's exterior is incredible and comes with some great features to match this. A great space garage along with an electric awning provides you with additional room in your vehicle. The cab of your motorhome can be accessed through the driver and passenger door. Not only this, it can be accessed from the inside of your vehicle. The touchscreen display in this cab makes sure your journeys have never been easier. Here you can see the additional access to the cab area. We can't talk about the Alpa without mentioning the incredible rear lounge. This gives you an incredible amount of space to host, entertain and dine, along with it transforming into your additional bed. You can see that the Alpa has an almost open plan feel to it, which is a great feature for this vehicle. The TV in the living area is well hidden and discreet. The skylight trim and the lighting in this vehicle give it a touch of luxury when travelling. This is helped by the amount of natural light let into this vehicle. When we move on to the kitchen, the first thing we will notice is the amount of cupboard space and worktop space that is provided. This well-equipped kitchen is perfect for cooking while on the road for you and all the family. The sink cover gives you that little bit more worktop space when not using the sink, and we've got a 3-ring gas hob as well. The fridge and freezer in this vehicle are both great sizes and can be opened from either side, so access from the living area and the kitchen. A separate shower and toilet can always be really handy when travelling with a family, and the Alpa provides you with this. The bathroom area in this vehicle is a really spacious area. We've got mirrored cupboards, a full-length mirror on the door and an additional mirror on the wall. With more storage space under the sink and toothbrush holders, there is nothing this Alpa has missed. We now move on to the electrically heated overcab bed. This bed is really easy to make up. It's simply sliding a piece out and popping your piece of mattress in. It's a really great sized bed and also has a TV for this area of your motorhome. The steps to access this bed simply slide in and out when not in use.